Hey everyone, my name's Ali and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. In today's video, I'll be sharing a brand new recipe, which is how to make your own homemade hot sauce. If you have a lot of hot peppers in your garden and simply don't know what to do with them, making your own hot sauce is a great way to extend the shelf life of your peppers and use them to create a tasty and tangy hot sauce that adds lots of flavor and a spicy kick to your meals. I'm using cayenne peppers in my recipe today to make a Frank's Red Hot Copycat, but you can easily swap out the hot peppers depending on what you have on hand. Before you start making your sauce, keep in mind that hot peppers are measured in Scoville heat units to determine their level of heat and spiciness. Cayenne peppers are 25,000 to 50,000 Scoville heat units, which means they are quite spicy, so if your spice tolerance is a little bit lower, try swapping them out for a jalapeno or serrano peppers. You only need a few simple ingredients to make hot sauce. That includes 10 ounces of hot peppers of your choice, 1 cup of white vinegar, half a cup of water, 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, and lemon juice. Start off by removing the stems off of your hot peppers. If needed, you can wear gloves when doing this and make sure you avoid contact with your eyes. All hot peppers contain capsaicin oil, which may transfer to your hands when handling and cause a severe burning sensation. Next, you want to add all your hot peppers to a large pot and add in 1 cup of vinegar, followed by half a cup of water. From there, add in 4 garlic cloves. You can feel free to add more or less depending on how garlicky you'd like it, followed by 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, and then the juice of half of a lemon. Give that all a good stir. You're going to bring this to a boil, stirring occasionally, and allow it to simmer for anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. Once it's done simmering, transfer everything into a food processor or blender where we're going to mix it all together until smooth. I'd recommend a blender here as mine did leak a little bit, but you can also use a food processor if that's all you have. Once you're done blending, it should look something like this. Next, we're going to pour the hot sauce mixture through a fine mesh strainer, and this is going to help remove any of the leftover seeds or pulp. While this is an optional step, I highly recommend it as straining makes for a smoother texture for your hot sauce that is easier to pour. Use a spatula or whatever you have to help push the mixture through the strainer. This will take several minutes, and when you're done it should look like this at the end. You'll have all of your leftover pulp and seeds from your hot peppers. Lastly, we're going to transfer the homemade hot sauce into an airtight bottle or container. I'm using a funnel to help me do this, and that just prevents any spills. Afterwards, make sure to properly seal your hot sauce and then place it in the fridge where it will last for 1 to 2 months when properly chilled. I was super impressed with how this turned out. Definitely has a similar taste to Frank's Red Hot. I can't wait to try different variations of this hot sauce and switch out the peppers for jalapenos or habaneros. It's bursting with spicy flavor and lasts for a couple months in the fridge, so it's a perfect way to use up those peppers you have growing in the garden. I hope if you guys like this recipe video or are going to give this recipe a try, that you will leave me a like, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.